YouTube? We're back here with another banger. We're on our way to Stand Sunday and Team Unity's meet. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe. I mean, there's Ben right now. We got Lowrider. We got my boy Ben right here. Yes, sir. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and we'll see you at the meet.
Yeah. Alright. If you choose to stay broke, then you just lazy. Bum keep on talking shit, man, it won't faze me. Smoking on exotic dope, front of white boy Casey. Ops in my blunt, it's real fat, but I'ma face it. Need my inhaler, yeah, my eyes been getting bad. It's okay, bigger boy, got a bigger bag. Took his hoe, but I can't save her, yeah, that boy is mad. Shut your tender ass up and go chase some cash. Should I chill? Man, fuck all that shit, man, I swear this shit is real. If I catch him at the light, see red, I wanna kill. Yeah, I'm playing tough defense, press up and get a steal. Bitch, I got a new pipe, and I can't wait to use it, know this bitch shoot right. Mama said he telling me, boy, you gotta do right. Mama, you usually hit me with a spoon, right? Bro, damn, like, fuck is you be talking about, bro? No, it's really shit. Man, get the fuck back on the beat, bro. Come on. Alright, bitch, I'm back on. Bad bitch, she shaking hella ass, I'm about to smack on. Fuck that, take it to my crib, I'm about to snack on. And she stole my weed, man, I knew I left that pack on. It ain't no issue, get some more, it ain't a biggie. But don't never say you smoking hit me if you ain't did it. That's the type of shit I guess you touched, I ain't even kidding. And your ass lucky, I ain't blow you down, no diddy. Had to slap you up, cause I know your ass is weak. Bitch, I'm steady evolving, yeah, I never had a beat. Punching on bro, like I be punching on the beat. And your ass really soft, stop claiming I eat. They be real mad, bro, you ain't even wanna fight. Got you shaking in your boots, man, check your tighty whities. You was trying to get a dap, bro, don't even try me. Stop them cross the face.
Yo, what's going on YouTube? We're at the meet. Let's see what kind of cars we can see. We got my boy Jordan's car right here. We got my boy right here. Best photographer in AZ. Sure. No. Oh. Sheesh.
Oh wow. He came back.
It's sexy as fuck. Cream Q. Hell yeah. Take over. Hey, bro. We got these beautiful cars right here. Got the Honda boys. Got the Z. Yes, sir. My boy Luis.
Up there.
Damn, bro.
Oh.